Hi guys, welcome back to Dose of Succulents. Today I'm doing a video on this Portulacaria. I've already trimmed it a little bit. As you can see, my cuttings over here that I'm going to be showing you in a bit. This is a Portulacaria afra, and there's different forms of this. There's a variegated and there's even a carpet form, and one that has a red stem. There's just all kinds, okay? But I'm going to be showing you guys just a little about how I cut them. I go like straight in, kind of like a 6-inch size, because this is one that we have cut many times before from, so it always fills in. So I just do like a cutting size like that big, but you can do smaller ones if you're doing something smaller. And this is also good like if you're doing like a floral arrangement to mix in with some flowers. It has like some really nice foliage. So I wanted to show you guys soil propagation with this, but also water propagation. So let's get started with that. Okay guys, so I have this glass here for the water propagation, and I'm using Aquafina water. I guess you can use tap water. I've done it through tap water for other echeverias, these kind right here by leaf propagation, inside the water. But I'm gonna use Aquafina today just because it's purified, and I guess it doesn't have enough, doesn't have a lot of, I don't know exactly what the term is that like tap water has. I saw like a houseplant video that people like using purified water because I don't know why, but I guess it just helps a little bit more. So I'm just using a little bit of water. As you can see, some people don't actually dip their succulents inside the water. They let the roots reach out into them, but I actually have done it with water, the stem already touching the water, and has worked out perfectly. So that's about how much water I'm adding, not too much. So I'm gonna be adding just the stems inside. And this is a fancy wine glass. You do not need this. This is just me being extra because I know it looks super nice with a wine glass full of Portulacaria. And I might actually put this on my desk, so it looks super nice. So you know what, I'm actually gonna take out this one because one time I put a lot of them inside one, and it actually, I think, helped it rot. So that's how much the roots are touching, just a little bit. I mean, not the roots, the little stems are touching with water. And this is how it looks, and we'll show you guys the process of this maybe in an update video. So let's get to the soil propagation now. Okay, for the soil propagation, I decided to do a voiceover because there was a really loud plane. So let's get started. The mix that I'm using is a propagation mix. It's Sungrow, if you're wondering what brand it is. And it just has really nice drainage, and I find that it doesn't really get really dry, like super like dry sometimes when I don't water the plants so much. So I just got the cuttings and I'm just dipping them in, and as you can see, sometimes I take off a little bit of the leaves on the bottom just so the stem is easier to place in the soil and doesn't just flop over. So I'm actually gonna go ahead and fill up the whole pot with a lot of cuttings, just because once the roots come in, it's ready to go. It's like ready to sell and be full and beautiful. But if you don't fill it in, just the roots come in and it's still, the pot still looks kind of empty. So that's why I'm going ahead and adding multiple in one pot. So this is the final look for this one. I will show you guys an update of which one gets the roots in and seeing if the water propagation works on this. Right now it's summertime, so it should go fairly fast for the roots. So I'll update you guys soon. Thank you guys for watching.